drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations here in Millbridge, Maine. We're located along Maine's Bold Coast, not very far from the U.S.-Canadian border. Well, I have all the parts cut out, and what you're looking at here is 10 Adirondack chairs, and it's an Anna White design. Now that the parts are cut out, I have a whole lot of pre-finishing to do. I have to round out all the edges and do a bunch of sanding before I can start assembling the parts. I'll assemble the parts as sub-assemblies to make things go a little faster and a little bit easier. Some assembly required. I have my work cut out for me. All of these chairs, once they're assembled, are going out to professional artists that live in the local area, and each artist will paint the chair however they wish, and they'll go back to the WHRL, which used to stand for the Women's Health Resource Library, but their name has been changed. It's still WHRL. It now stands for Women for Healthy Rural Living. When all these chairs are returned to WHRL by the artist, they're all going to be put up for auction. And this auction is a fundraiser because WHRL is a local nonprofit and does a lot of good things for the community. So this is my part. My part is actually cutting all the wood, assembling the chairs, doing a basic prep, and then shipping them off to the artist, the individual professional artist. Then the artist will go do their thing, and then I'll get back involved again because I'm going to be doing a little bit of delivery, picking up and dropping off, right up until the auction. And because of the COVID-19 thing and the lockdown, the auction usually takes place during the summer, during the celebration of what we call Millbridge Days. And a local function hall is rented, and a lot of items are put up for auction. People can inspect them and bid on them. This year, I think they're going to do an online auction. I don't have all the particulars yet. I think they're still trying to sort things out, but I'll make an announcement on my channel when that comes up if anybody's interested. But these designs are by Anna White. This is not my own design. The women at the WHRL picked this out. Anna White puts out the plans for free on her website, and I'll include the link to that in the video description below if you're interested in making one yourself. The only thing that I changed are the back slats. Anna White's design calls for 5 back slats. They're about 3.5 inches wide each. And what I did is I changed the design so it'll have 3 back slats, which are wider, about 6 inches wide apiece. And the reason I did that is because that's the main focal point, or basically the main canvas that the artist will be painting on. And we did similar things like this in the past, and they said they'd like to have wider surfaces, more broad surfaces to paint on for doing their artwork, instead of having several slats with a lot of space in between them. So that's why I changed it, but that's the only change I made. And also the materials. Anna White's plans call for dimensional lumber. I used a hardwood lumber that has an exterior glue. It was a lot less expensive doing it this way. The chairs will still come out very nice. Thanks for watching.
Well, just came from the bridge. Well, yeah. So, it takes 2 hours to reach the porch.